In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Payhip store. If you're looking to give your Payhip storefront a fresh look and ensure it stands out to your customers, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can quickly and effectively make these changes. Start by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard, which will serve as your launchpad for any customizations you're going to make. Getting to know the layout of your dashboard is key, as it provides all the options and tools you need to tailor your store just the way you want. Next, navigate to the Store section. Once there, select Store Builder. This is where the fun begins. The Store Builder is a user-friendly interface that lets you make changes without needing to understand complex coding or web design principles. It's all laid out for you to easily navigate and tweak as needed. With the Store Builder open, you'll notice sections that represent different parts of your storefront. Click on any section to start making changes. This is your chance to edit the text to better reflect your brand's voice. You can replace images with ones that better showcase your products or add new visuals that align with your branding. If your color scheme needs adjusting to capture your audience's attention or align with your overall brand theme, this is your moment. And don't forget, you can also adjust the layout. This means you can organize how the information is presented, ensuring it's as appealing and easy to understand as possible for visitors. On the left panel, you'll see options to add new sections to your store. Maybe you want to showcase customer testimonials. They can be powerful tools for building trust and encouraging new purchases. Or perhaps you have featured products you'd like to highlight more prominently. Whatever your choice, adding new sections is all about enhancing the customer experience and making navigation through your store intuitive and engaging. Don't be afraid to get creative. You can rearrange sections using the drag and drop feature. This functionality allows you to structure your store in a way that makes sense to you and is inviting to your visitors. Think of this process as setting up a physical storefront. A well-organized store makes browsing more enjoyable and could influence purchasing decisions. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, don't forget the crucial final step. Click on Publish to save all your work. This essential action ensures that everything you've done is live and visible to your customers. Customizing your Payhip store is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your business. So, log in, explore the Store Builder, and start crafting a store that truly represents what you offer. Happy customizing!